upon this, you guys new to the channel. Welcome back to Everything Empo. Empo, I'm the year man. I'm gonna try my best to do this video as quick as possible. Me and the toddler home today, so you probably hear me run back and forth, or you hear him come every minute with a little mom thing. But today it's gonna be like home care. If you want to see more videos like this, you can always let me know into the comment section, because I am a fanatic just to seeing where home care is concerned with washing, the cleaning, and etc. And the funny thing about it is, TikTok, there was this vacuum going viral on TikTok, you know, when it come on to the colors, whatever price. So if it pink, it more, purple more. So I always see it. I wanted to get my hands on it. Hopefully you guys are hearing me clearly, because I have on the mic, up the mic on. So my meat literally just come. I don't know if you can see that tonight. Come literally just turn it on to see if it'll work. It's still sort of stick and stuff on it, and it is the Voweek, or whatever one name. So I'm gonna get it into the green. It is so strong. I mean, this is just pressing it one time. So may I charge the battery to 100%, because it came 48%. Some of the don't make the battery go to 100, but it is so strong. I just press one press on the carpet. I'm so one press. I mean, so make it some carpet dirty. You know, I do like a spring cleaning, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna share this with these guys. I hope you guys don't mind. Remember when I did the last video with Dove, and I was saying there were two more of the plant milk soap that was missing. What do you want? The turmeric. So this is the, I get my hands on the coconut milk and sugar. Is it lychee or lychee? Cleanse the plant milk cleansing bar. I'm gonna know, so them have it for men as well. So I'm gonna pick up for the people them son. So I'm gonna take the Dove Men Care into the eucalyptus and what eucalyptus plus, oh, English this side. Eucalyptus plus the cedar oil. You look up, it smells so good. I think I'm going to even use this one. This one of my eucalyptus. I love it. And then I also picked up the, what is this? The sandalwood and cardamom oil, right? And this one smells very, very manly. It's just woodsy and smell like man. So pick up that and that. I'm still not to the turmeric one, but the video is not about that. I need a backup for the Lysol air sanitizer. I don't know if you know do that, but this we'll pick up this from with him. Family Dollar, so can I see the price for it? $2.25 nearly. So the sanitizer, because I do sanitize the bed, everybody bed. Me use baking soda for the mattress itself, and then make it sit on it a little bit, and then give me 1 minute. Then we'll brush it off, and then for the sheet and stuff, this Walmart, I think we pick up this $5. It's a great value. I'm gonna pick up this. If on a $5, I think that's between $5 and $6.95. So make sure to use different bag. Even in my bag, I have to look at traveling size. One, this store, you can get these in Walmart, Family Dollar, or the dollar store. These I love them, especially for your curtain. Spray up your curtain will decide the odor ban. Same thing. It's a disinfectant spray for the tidy seat. Wipe it name. I don't know why them don't want pee in the seat. They want pee behind it, behind the toilet, get under the toilet, all of that. I don't know already. Maybe I have it in the lavender scent. And this is the original scent, which is the eucalyptus. Or what you can do is you can find the, I'm supposed to have it right here in the kitchen. Yeah. Or you can buy the refill. So I'm telling the son, come on, so if you don't want to know about the home care, and this is, there you go. See? $5 for this big thing. So you can just buy it one time and just buy the refill and keep on and refill it up. But what I love especially, because me even have like a steamer, yeah, me steam out the bed. Look here, lily water, and then bottom now, the man is like, wanna pop a whole dog in the sheet and them something there. This is the Lysol air sanitizer. I never know, but I love it so much. You're supposed to sanitize the air, but I literally use it on the sheets and the pillow. I just spray it down and keep it going. It smells so good and it lasts. You know, so after you make the bed, you spray it and you put the sheet on it. Come like when you lift up the sheet, Like you just hold it down, you just get this nice. Ooh. So this is in the scent white linen. I don't know, it is so good. And again, anytime I buy, if there's a different scent into it, just like how I do with my fragrance and my perfume and stuff, I'll go scribble everything. Then we have the light breeze scent. This just not because it's purple. This is not the lavender scent, but it really just give it this nice beach breezy, clean scent. And then this one, which is the simple fresh scent. This is so good. I want you to stay up on the shelf. This is just a sense of clean. It's just really nice. It's a nice scent of clean. Then we have the cotton blossom scent. I don't know if it's still a go, but Walmart have these for $5. Original price for this hour, I think before the $7.99, between $7 and $8, or between $7 and $9. But legit, even this morning, them send me an email. Because you buy online, you send me, I said, your fave is on sale for $5. If you want to give it a try, I say yes. And certain stuff, you don't have to use it one way. But with this, I think I'm going to get the little cotton. You know, when them say cotton, you think have the light, clean, almost linen, or if you know, oh God, come to mind now. Could I brand new name? May I look on it, hold on. Yes, Yankee Candle. In this Yankee Candle, I have a scent in this name. Teddy bear. Something, but you think the cotton would have come off as that, but it just, let me spray it again. It more give a floral clean. I'm like the way you it close, you just flick it, it open. So I don't know if you can see the front. Are you seeing it? Where it's the lock on the front. So it even locks. I'm like that about it. But back to this, it not give, well again, it's a blossom. So I'm more getting like a floral from this more than so much of almost like the linen family. This really gives you that linen, clean, white t-shirt kind of thing. Then we have the lavender. Because I know the girl are going to need the lavender. This is me a nighttime. Alright, even though we make the bedroom in the day, we use anyone, but at nighttime again, we still just probably just spray it in the ear, and girl, good to go. Again, use it how you like. If you even want to spray a little doorknob, you see them if you even want to spray it on the toilet and wipe on the toilet. Again, the curtains, spray the curtain. Springer comes in, you go open the window, spray the curtain, and then the breeze from it just blow in. This is the one that is new to it. When I say weird, remember them have an orange one, and this is in the tropical sunset scent. When this is the orange, I thought it would have been the what I sent the name, the Hawaiian carpet, the carpet powder, the carpet cleaner, something. Do you think it'll be the Hawaiian scent? But this is so tropical good. I'm really for the Caribbean, it is so tropical. But it's like me even I pick up banana into it. I'm not more fascinated with needing a banana scent, whether from Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret. I just want something banana, but just give me all things fruity and clean. You know, sometimes when things are a little bit fruity where cleaning is concerned, it may, but no, this is just really that clean. It's inside the family of Fabulous. You know, Fabulous have the little clean scent there. I mean, if you use Mind Salt, you just put it on the stove because it's Fabulous. But just use that one for clean the floor. We'll put it on the stove for boil and just scent up the place nice and put it. So it depends on the clean side. So even though it's fruity, it's a floral clean. That makes sense. Smells so sweet again. Yeah, it just gives it like a peach, pineapple, apple, banana. It is just really a nice tropical scent. So you can have all 6. And like I said, we'll rotate them or probably the mood when we're in. Again, it's on sale. If you want to give it a try, go ahead and give it a try. It is worth having. Even with your couch, you know, you just want to jazz up your couch, you just spray it on your couch. Whether you have a microfiber or you have the leather, you know, just spray a look upon it, wipe it down, puff up your little pillow if you have a little throw up on the floor, and keep it going. Or spray it into the ear because it's ear sanitizer if you want. Even the next best place, the garbage, spray it right over. Look, open your garbage. My garbage. And probably some all over the place. I know, and the video is getting too long. But for even my garbage, I wash my garbage pan because I clean heavy twice a week. I mean by that, or some grow. So Wednesday, just like up on Sunday and Wednesday, rice and peas. Upon Wednesday and Saturday, that is heavy cleaning. I'm gonna clean my wipe down all the wall, get the broom, the ceiling, my wipe down the ceiling, my clean. And my room downstairs the same way. I have to move the bed from here to there, so I change round. We do all of that, and then in between the little light cleaning, and then same thing with the bathroom. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, you get that heavy clean there. And Tuesday, Thursday, you get a little light cleaning. You just walk around the rug and still a wipe down. But we're talking about for the scour and the tub and all of that. 3 days of the week, them get that again worse girl and boy pitney. So you have to stay up on top of it with them. Okay, let's turn the mic, turn up it on with them and the clean. I am a clean fanatic. It's not even funny. So yeah, and then we use mint ball. What's the name? The ball name. The little white ball, the mass ball. We use that. I crush it outdoor, and then I throw it at the bottom of the garbage pan, and then I put in the garbage bag, and then I tip like a bleach and like a Dettol. I always have, if you have kids, don't think I drop my go for one. I'm downstairs. I have one downstairs. Likewise, upstairs. Yes. I will finish now. I'm gonna give it to you, the crackers, okay? Okay. So this Dettol, you see it, look? 14 I'm gonna play Dettol. This even with the kids them, I have a little spray back and put little in it and dyed with little water and spray upon them rag. But bathe them in it. You have the whether this or the soap. When even may I wash my clothes, tip a little bit in a machine, just a little bit because it's strong. You have to have them something with. Yeah, girl, not play, but it just come to mind. So you know what? I'm just put out a video and find out if you want to hear a little more things about you know, the home care part, like when we use clean, sanitize this, that, acid and cow fat, and then everything will go be brand, and if a brand, girl catch it on sale. And yeah, if you see them here on sale, them here don't go Walmart, them here in a Walmart for $5. But you can go on Yankee. If you see them here on sale, little is much. Just like how the Bath and Body Works are for them little spray thing. This little bit of this and the Cynthia, it's sick. So the Mandarin breeze, sick air freshener, sick all in your car. Oh, as I talk about this too. See? I'm gone again. You know what? The video go all over the place. I'm gonna do a video. I'm buying one air freshener from off of TikTok. Oh my god. I'm tell you, I'm not even exaggerate. I'm gonna spray it today. I'm still smell it tomorrow. One air freshener off of TikTok. I think it's from like an Arabic brand. It even look like perfume. I couldn't even figure out how to open it. It's sick. Anyway, I ramble long enough. But like I said, if you want more video like this where the home care is concerned, you can always comment down below. Today, I'm going to do a little warm up because them name off the rice and peas and stuff. So I'm just going to make little I'm going to do a little corn and bully beef. Girl, now on Sunday, Monday. Yeah, you.